Leveraging commercial analytics for profit growth in acquisition-heavy companies. We frequently deal with clients on the upper end of the mid-market space who have grown through acquisitions but are surprised by their stagnation and reliance on random spreadsheets for commercial analytics and insights. For many of these companies, managing global profitability and unified sales reporting and analytics is often a cumbersome process, only possible weekly or monthly. Acquisitions that do not integrate seamlessly can experience profit losses after the transition phase, countered by solid commercial analytics capabilities. Nowadays, these commercial analytics capabilities can be built fast and efficiently, using popular tech stack that all companies are familiar with. Challenges acquisition-heavy companies face include unifying processes, which leads to data collection issues and poor data quality, hindering insights, driven selling and profitability. System variety and a lack of unified data sources often complicate domain-specific, automated insights. With the pace of technological advancements, acquired companies often use systems unfamiliar to the acquiring company, increasing difficulty in collecting data from managing supply chains, customer insights, pricing, and profitability. This often results in operational inefficiencies and difficulties in monitoring inventory and logistics costs. This challenge leads to bottlenecks like inadequately adjusted inventory levels, which cause either overstocking or understocking, hindering profitability and liquidity, or eroding sales and customer satisfaction. It also affects other aspects like transportation costs and production processes. The impact of system diversity on operational efficiency is profound, with the average time required to resolve data-related issues surging by 166%, reflecting a near doubling of data downtime. This slowdown in resolving operational issues has a magnified effect on profitability. Following an acquisition, integrating new data sources is challenging. Companies may track different metrics or follow different reporting standards, worsening the overall data quality. This dramatically hinders organic growth and earnings potential. Despite all the hype surrounding AI, monthly reporting and basic performance analyses take hundreds of hours for many large companies, and quarterly reporting almost always requires extension requests. The reliance on manual processes and disparate systems complicates foundational data collection and analysis. 46% of data and analytics survey respondents indicated they didn't know or were uncertain about where to find information at work, impacting teams across the company. This lack of information accessibility affects sales, marketing, and commercial teams' productivity. Popular technologies used in revenue growth analytics efforts quickly ingest data from various ERPs, integrate it into a cloud data warehouse, and enable user-friendly, actionable insights for commercial teams. These tools collect large amounts of real-time data, help interpret it, and build models and pricing strategies to forecast and increase profit margins. They provide invaluable insights into various pricing and promotional scenarios, actionable insights for sales teams, or dynamic financial reporting and deep dives for the finance teams. Advanced commercial analytics initiatives provide insights that yield better strategic decision-making, improved control of operational processes, and a greater understanding of customers. Real-time data access allows companies to track metrics more granularly and effectively. Many BI tools are no-code or low-code, reducing the time and resources necessary for generating reports and analyzing data. Thus, they empower users to implement real-time alerts and be much more proactive about the business. Cloud-based data warehouses significantly reduce operational costs, offer nearly unlimited storage, and can be up and running in days depending on the project's complexity. They enable faster implementation of new solutions after acquisitions. Leveraging revenue growth analytics is no longer just an option. It's necessary for competitive advantage and sustainable growth. Companies that embrace these technologies will find themselves better equipped to manage the challenges of acquisitions, more capable of turning potential disruptions into opportunities for profit and growth, and more proactive with their customer growth efforts. For more information, please visit us at rivologyanalytics.com.